Hello everyone, this is Adam with Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Jura Z10. I came to the shop because of error 13 that was preventing it from booting up and turning on. This machine, instead of having a manual adjustment for the grind size, well motorized. So when the machine starts up, there's a homing sequence that it goes through where it moves that adjustment using the motor, and when it can't actually move the adjustment, that's when you get an error 13 on this specific machine. There might be other triggers for the error 13. I know that the Jura Giga has uses error 13 to indicate a slightly different grinder error because they have two grinders. Yeah, but in this case it just had to do with it not being able to complete the homing sequence, and that was just due to a buildup of coffee in the grinder itself, causing a clog and preventing the actual grind adjustment from moving. So after clearing that out, we were able to get it turned on. So as you can see here, it's at the main menu. So booted up. I'm just gonna do Espresso. We have a cup right here. You can see we have all these different options. It's just gonna heat up. There are brew units activating. You hear the grinder turn on. And you can see it's pouring us a glass of espresso. Alright, so there you have it. Let's turn to the main menu. So, there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking or subscribing. Thank you for watching.